So here's how you can record your screen with voice on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you are new here on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so you probably know that you can capture the screen recording by going to the control center and tapping on the screen recording button. If you don't have it, go to the edit mode and literally just add it to make sure it always appears there. But the crucial difference is that you don't just tap on the button to initiate the recording, but instead you hold down on it, which makes more options appear. Most importantly, in our case, I mean the microphone icon. And yeah, you can enable it, you can select it. If it's like red or this like selected look, it just means that you will be able to use your voice while recording the screen, and you'll be able to do a voiceover or comment on whatever is happening, and it's a very useful feature. So when you then save the video recording, it will be in the gallery, but it will also contain the audio, as I said. However, if you already have like a screen recording ready and you want to add your voice later, I would recommend you to just go to the video editor called CapCut, where you can import the clip into the timeline and click on add audio, which lets you record it directly inside of the app, right? So you'll be able to see the video playing, you'll be able to comment on whatever is happening, and it will be added like a audio layer in the video project, right? So you'll be able to apply some effects to it later or whatever, but that is how you can add it directly inside of the video editor. So that is how it would work. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.